So, YouTube family, guys, you guys been following my journey, and I'm on day 33 of getting my first payout of 2026. And currently, I'm kind of gotten to the point that the goal that I've been trying to set to get to, it's achievable, but I'm kind of getting fed up. So I'm just gonna take the payout right now. I've been gonna take a payout, have like 10 plus 150 days profitable already. So I'm just gonna do it today and just get it over with. So at least I'll end the series and then we'll start up another series on me getting another payout. So let's go do it right now. So we are here at the portal for the last 30 days. These are the accounts. And I'm gonna make a request for 432 for these two and 671 for the last one. So let's do it. This payout amount, okay, no cents. We'll take out the cents then. We'll take out the cents. We'll take out the cents. Jeez. Okay, first payout confirmed, and we'll just do the same thing for the rest of them. Another payout successfully confirmed, and then last one. Okay, last payout submitted. Let's go. So guys, I did it. I requested my first payout of 2026 and the series is done. But we're gonna start a whole nother series after I get the payout and everything is confirmed. I'll start a whole nother series of road to 5K payout, and then we'll do a road to 10K payout after that. So thanks guys for supporting me and watching all of the videos, every ups and downs and emotion in between, everything, man. Listen, my first 4-figure payout for 2026. I'm happy. I did it. I was successful in completing the challenge. I didn't blow the account. I risk managed. I followed my rules. Boy, this was a hell of a challenge. But after 33 days, I did it. After about 2 months, I did it. Obviously, some people are going to look at it like, oh, that's not a lot of money. But I did it. I still did it. I achieved the goal that I set for myself. Although I could have achieved it last week. I could have did this last week. But it's okay. I achieved the goal nonetheless. Let's move forward with the next goal, which is maybe a 5K payout and then a 10K payout. See you guys in the next video, guys. Love you. Peace.